Welcome back to E-Explorers. Today I'm going to make something a little fun. I decided to try and make a softbox. Wanted to make one out of the supplies I already have and use an LED that I got off Amazon or B&H or something. It's a cheap LED, but it works pretty good. That's Zach. You've seen him in a few videos. We're trying to figure out how big the outside opening should be. We're trying to use math, but, well, Crystal used math.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Just on those edges.
Yeah.
And then everything else stays the same.
Made that super complicated.
Yep.
And I ended up making it super complicated. So in the end, I basically just ended up eyeballing it and for the outside dimensions. That's a mat cutter. They actually work. Now I had to apply aluminum foil to the inside. So basically I just used packing tape. By the time I got to the fourth one, I had it figured out. This is the fourth one. I made it way simpler. I just folded in everything and taped it down. I taped all the aluminum foil so that it wouldn't flake off or get nicked and just pull it straight off. So you can get an idea kind of how it goes together there. I'm using a combination of duct tape and gaffer's tape. I use duct tape on the inside. And then there you see gaff tape for the outside. I wanted it to completely fold up for transport, and so you could tear it down quickly. If you're in a run and gun situation, shooting video, it's important to have things that tear down quickly and assemble quickly. So you can kind of see what I'm thinking there. So I wanted the ends to fold in and then the whole thing to fold in on itself. So now, yeah, thanks. Thanks, Crystal. So now it folds up. You get an idea there, kind of what I'm going for. There's how it folds up. So now what I have to do is create a way that it will connect together once you assemble it and put it on the LED. I'm using velcro, sticky velcro. We'll see how good it works. I put the sticky velcro on duct tape because I didn't want to stick to the gaff tape too well. So get an idea of how it's all going to go together there. And I was kind of shocked that it actually worked. Now you really get an idea of how it's going to be assembled here. Then I put duct tape on the barn doors of the LED. Kind of see that.
Somebody put something on my shoes to get that.
There you go. So basically I'm using 250 for diffusion. Just wanted to test it out real quick. And so now I wanted to make these little white strips that covered up that black inside just to get the most amount of reflection I could. I decided to put in a secondary baffle on the inside just to spread the light out more, and there I am cutting down the 250 diffusion, and I'm putting gaff tape on the outside so that I can connect it to the light box on the exterior. And then I'm just cutting the corners and putting some more gaff tape on them just so they'll hold up. And you'll see how all this goes together in a second. Here I'm putting some more duct tape on the outside for the velcro to stick to. Like I said, it doesn't stick well to the gaff tape. Kind of get an idea of how it's all going together there.
Not bad. A decent spread.
A little light test decided to do. Decently satisfied. And so here's the whole thing from start to finish. If you carry it in. And seeing how the whole thing assembles. I really wanted to build something that I had all the supplies. I didn't want to spend any money, just to see if I could build something that was decent quality. I had all this leftover diffusion from film jobs that I just kind of save. If you hear that whining in the background, that is actually a Edelchrome slider. And it's the Dolly 1. I've had decent success with it. It's kind of loud. There you go. There's half of it put together. There's the 250 diffusion. And then it just goes on with Velcro on the outside. You connect all the corners. There you go. A inexpensive light box if you have foam core laying around and some aluminum foil and gaff tape. Thanks for watching, and I have a few more DIY videos coming out. Hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know. Stay safe.